Hello, lovely customers out there. But the charge from Abraham from Optimum. Say over Optimum one. It will fridges, papa, air conditions, papa, television, papa, beer, opebia, the Ubenian of Optimum. And then your star product I will be a man and the cross door with dispenser fridge. And your cross door will be free until you be pensing natural. I dare a demonstration over your cross door.
So, Optimum cross door fridge has two compartments. We have the fridge side, we have the freezer side. We have the LED light that gives the fridge light. We have the middle rank, we have the bottle rank, we have the glass shelves, and we have fruit and vegetable creeper. To prevent any scent from fruit, we have creeper cover. And we have dispense rack for any dispense water. When we come to the freezer, we have the upper freezer server, upper freezer drawer, lower freezer drawer. We have fridge door seal to seal whenever the fridge is closed. So you see, the cross door has so many structures. The one you don't know is the holiday mode, the super cool and super fridge. Visit our showroom, call our numbers, and know more.